everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I just want to fill you in a little bit on my blog. So I actually had my blog before I had this channel, so I have been blogging for 10 years, and I finally decided to switch it over. I have really not been happy with my hosting provider, and so I ended up switching over to just the free WordPress blog. So my blog address is still thescrapmaster.com. I will end up having it redirect to my free WordPress blog, which is thescrapmaster.wordpress.com. I just decided to use their free service because I am not really updating my blog all that much, but I still want it to be available. I thought about just canceling the blog altogether and just not having it at all, but I was looking at it and I thought about, I have 10 years of blogging on that blog. I really want to keep it. I didn't want to just trash the whole thing, because that's something that I have over the years really liked and really been proud of. But the less scrapbooking I do, the less I can justify the hosting price. And I haven't been happy with the hosting. It gave me some downtime here and there. I was paying like 11 bucks a month for my blog to be down at least once or twice a month. And so I felt like that was ridiculous. I wanted to cut the cost of that. And so I went to the free WordPress.com blog. So my blog address is thescrapmaster.com. Still, it'll redirect you to my free WordPress blog. So it will be the same on that sense, but I lost a ton of my customizability. I lost a lot of my plugins and that kind of things. I may eventually go back to a self-hosted WordPress blog and add it to my .com and pay for hosting again. I've got to figure out, first of all, a cheaper option. $11 a month for hosting is ridiculous, especially when it wasn't actually staying up the whole month. So it's just something I'm kind of working on in the background. I really want to go back to blogging more. I thought about that. Especially I wanted that to be part of my New Year's resolutions, but I have 2 blog posts up on my blog for this whole year, and it's half the year. So that's like 1 blog post a quarter, which is pretty bad. I thought that I would talk about it a little bit. If you're interested in starting a blog, I definitely recommend trying out Blogger or WordPress.com and do one of the free ones first to make sure that that's something that you're interested in. I actually started out on Blogger and then ended up making my own .com and switching over to WordPress because I really liked the plugins and the customizability that you got through the self-hosted WordPress. So you have to pay for your own hosting versus the free one that you can get at WordPress.com. And so I really liked that, but I just can't justify the cost right now. I'm trying to scale back on expenses and make sure that we're putting our money where we want it to go. And that's just one of the things I just kept putting off from month to month. I'm like, oh, I'll deal with it next month. I'll figure out how to switch it over next month. And so I finally did it this last week, and I'm so happy that I did. So we cut out that $11 expense. And every dollar adds up. So I was really happy with doing that. You may notice things are not working smoothly on the free one because I lost some of my plugin integration, but that's just going to be something that's kind of under construction. I'm sure you guys will understand that it's not going to work exactly the same, but I wanted to just give you guys a quick update about the blog, and that's really it for this video. So I'm actually filming 2 videos today, so my next video will go up next week, and I'm talking about a challenge that I'm issuing to you guys, and I'm really excited about that. So be sure to subscribe so you can follow me along and you can catch that video next week. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.